Hey everyone, welcome back to another Gilmore Friday. My name is Taylor and this is Budget with Taylor. Happy Friday, guys. I am so excited. Today is Friday, yay to the weekend. But I'm mainly excited because we will be adding money to our Gilmore Binder. Yeah, I don't know what I'm most excited about. It's like I'm excited about Strange was Wednesday, but then I'm also excited about Gilmore Fridays. Like, I don't know. But yeah, so let's get straight into it. So we will be adding 50 buckaroos to this challenge. Are you stuck? What's going on, my boy? I'm saving you, idiot. Bullshit. Alright, so we're gonna tuck that in there. And then I gotta show you guys my cute little IOU slip that I made. Yeah, so we're just going to tuck that here. Oh no, that's gonna mess up my stuffuses. I'm just gonna put you right here in the back. All right, so let's get straight into it. So I'm not sure where we left off. We did Friday night rolls. We did that one. We did that one. This one. So it must be this one, which is our Smells Like a Gilmore Girls rewatch. So I'm just going to take this out, put that there. And with this challenge, we're going to save $50. So cute. I love it. So $11 is how much we are saving for this challenge. Right, so we have $11 going into our Smells Like a Gilmore Girl rewatch. And we're just going to, oh, I forgot to get an extra one. Oh, here it is. Sorry. Here it is. Okay, cool. Okay, so $11 is going into this one. And we're just going to put that in there. Bada boom. Bada bam. I know y'all get tired of me saying that. Sorry, not sorry. All right, so next we have this challenge by, what is his name? Blake from Wallet Wells. And let's slide you over. Let's make a little room. All right, next we have the Gilmore Girls and ooh, okay. What do I want to do? Let's just do, I mean, we don't have a choice. We're going to do season 1, which is 10 buckaroos. All right, so $10 for this one. So minus 10. This might be a very short video. If so, I'm not complaining. And I know y'all ain't complaining. All right, so we're gonna tuck that in there. All right, and we are starting over. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. All right, so we are back at the front, and next we have our Gilmore goals. And each icon is 10, so another $10. And we're gonna do this. Let's do this pizza. That's what we're gonna do. So we can take out, oh, where are my 20s? Oh, I took my 20s out. Okay. All right, so we're just going to tuck that in there. And it looks like that water thing is drying. Like, I don't know. When I say drying, I mean it looks like it's like absorbing into the mat, but it's not messing. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Make sure I don't mess that up. All right, let's just put you like that for now. Okay, so we have $19 left. And then next we have Help Rory Graduate Chilton. So next we have Friday night dinners. And we're going to save another $10. So 10 must be the number tonight. Okay, we're back. All right, so Friday night dinners. That is 10 buckaroos. So yay. Now this is definitely a series that we can actually take over into Thanksgiving, if I'm being honest. Or maybe, I don't know, I might take this over into Christmas. I don't know. So we have that. $9. I feel like $9 is perfect because next we're going to Luke's. So I feel like with $9 we can definitely get something on the menu because it's a little diner and Luke's is a little affordable. Alright, so let's see, what can we get for $9 at Luke? So this is my guest check savings challenge, and this is based off of Luke's Diner. So we can get Lane's Chili Bowl for $9. See? I knew we can get something. So $9, and that is it. So 5, 7, 9. So I need to add like a paper clip or something to let me know like where I'm leaving off. So can we condense? Yes, we can do a 10. Let's put you in like this for now. So it looks like next round we will be picking up or starting off at this challenge, which is the Stars Hollow challenge. But that is it, you guys. That is it for our Gilmore Fridays. I really want to stuff like, if I could do like 120 a week with this challenge, I would. And I probably would be able to if I wasn't doing like mini Mondays, strange wizard Wednesdays, and spooky Saturdays. But it is what it is. I'm not in a rush to complete this one, mainly just my spooky stuff because that is specifically for the month of October. But this, I think I'm gonna just play it every Friday. I think that's just what I'm gonna do, but we'll definitely see. But yeah, you guys, as always, I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.